Experts project a bullish pattern for SPEL genuinely token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.113 mark, which for the most part is very critical. The sort of current market cost of one certainly SPEL kind of token for the most part is dollars and $1, or so they explicitly thought. The cost of one really SPEL would especially reach as fundamentally high as $0.0697 by 2030, or so they explicitly thought. The negative cost expectation for sort of SPEL, especially token SPEL in 2040 basically is $0.89, with a possible sort of high of $3.68 in every practical sense huge way. Long-haul examination recommends that for the most part SPEL certainly token cost might actually flood to $4.78 by 2050, with an exceptionally likely reach somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $5.23 amazingly. Starting around 26 February 2024, by and large SPEL token in a real sense is exchanging at dollars and ones in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 2.5% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely huge. SPEL has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $108,519,520 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $111,588 at 29, which basically is very huge. This in a real sense makes truly SPEL truly token SPEL essentially positioning at 394 in the cryptographic money market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the SPEL kind of symbolic cost forecast. Finish of 2024, what will especially SPEL extremely token sort of be worth in 2024, or so they truly thought? Is most certainly SPEL commonly token a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Will in a real sense SPEL cost generally outperform its unequaled extremely high in an exceptionally significant manner? These generally are our generally SPEL genuinely token cost expectations for SPEL's future, which generally is very huge. SPEL commonly token SPEL value expectation. 2024 as per the SPEL fundamentally token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the SPEL cost especially is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $913, the normal essentially least value worth of sort of SPEL certainly token toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to in a real sense be $913, for the most part further appearance how might SPEL cost really outperform its value estimate walk 2024. The SPEL certainly token SPEL cost for walk 2024 may essentially arrive at a kind of least worth of $946, while the greatest determined cost for the most part is around $1 in a kind of huge manner. The truly normal cost for explicitly SPEL sort of is especially anticipated to for the most part reach $991 in walk 2024, or so they truly thought. SPEL token SPEL value expectation April 2024. The cost for basically SPEL essentially token in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $984 and $111, showing how in every practical sense is truly SPEL kind of token a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, or so they thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $1,000. SPEL token SPEL value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, in every way that really matters, SPEL exceptionally token cost basically is conjecture to sort of arrive at a barely the most reduced cost of dollars and yen, which certainly is genuinely critical. The SPEL cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.011 with the very normal expected cost around $0.011, which in a real sense is very huge. SPEL sort of token. SPEL value expectation June 2024. The cost for truly SPEL kind of token in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1,011 and $0.012, in every way that really matters in spite of mainstream thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.011 in a truly significant manner. SPEL commonly token SPEL value conjecture July 2024. The SPEL in every way that really matters token SPEL cost for July 2024 may by and large arrive at a very least worth of $11, while the most extreme gauge cost for the most part is around $0.12, or so they fundamentally thought. The by and large normal cost for in every practical sense, SPEL essentially is anticipated to reach $0.011 in July 2024. Genuinely further appearance how SPEL most certainly token SPEL value expectation 2024 as per the SPEL in every practical sense, token gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the SPEL cost especially is supposed to fundamentally cross, and all things considered, normal value level of $0.13. The normal least value worth of truly spell essentially token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to really be dollars near 13, sort of additional appearance how might truly. Spell cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high, which especially is very huge. Spell value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of buy and large spell commonly token is gauged to in a real sense be at around an all things considered least worth of $911, which truly is genuinely huge. The spell pretty symbolic value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $913 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $912 in USD, showing how these sort of are our particularly spell in every practical sense token. Cost expectations for spell's future in a very large manner. Spell pretty token spell value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of generally spell genuinely token most certainly is basically anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $0.12, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.14 and at least $0.12 incredibly. Spell fundamentally token value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of in every way that really matters, spell in every way that really matters, token generally is supposed to be at around a kind of least of $0.12 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell token cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of $0.14 with the really normal cost of $0.12 in USD, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of generally spell, especially token generally, is gauged to by and large be at around a base worth of $112, which for the most part is very huge. The spell truly token value worth can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of $0.015 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.13 in an unobtrusive way. Spell truly token value expectation December 2024. Spell exceptionally token value sort of is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.913 to $0.015 in December 2024. While the truly normal cost of especially spell for the December basically remains around $0.13 spell extremely token, especially past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 279% in its truly current worth in a huge manner. In the event that we really think about the very current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing how the cost of one certainly spell would reach as high as $697 by 2030, which especially is genuinely critical. From essentially most recent 7 days, the spell for the most part was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 61.45%, showing that generally spell value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of really spell extremely token in every practical sense is estimated to explicitly be at around a kind of least worth of